In this video, I'll show you how to easily disable tapping sounds on any iPhone. Make sure to wait until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app, then scroll down until you found Sounds and Haptics. Next, scroll all the way down to locate the option labeled Keyboard Feedback. Tap on it to access the settings for keyboard feedback. To turn off the tapping sounds, ensure that the sounds option is toggled off, just like in my case. If you'd also like to disable haptic feedback, you can do that from this same menu. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.